How to verify Telegram account. So if you want to verify your Telegram account, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Telegram application. After that, go with your profile. From the profile, go with the three dots or just simply tap on settings. And under settings, just scroll down again and you will find privacy and security. Tap on it, and from your privacy and security, if you have not verified your account, then you just need to simply go with the first option, which is two-step verification. Now enter your password, or if you've not set your password, then you will receive a verification code to your phone number or your email address. So enter the verification code. Once done, go with the arrow which will be on the right side, and then you can change your password or disable your password or change recovery email if you've already turned on your two-step verification. But if you've not turned on your two-step verification, then you just need to simply go and turn it on. Once you've turned your two-step verification on, your Telegram account will be verified. In my case, as you can see, that it is already turned on. That's how you can verify your Telegram account, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.